In this video, we are going to show you how to extract key points from videos in Poppy AI. If you want to do this, it's quite simple. Just copy the URL link of the YouTube video you want to, or even upload, right? So just copy paste right here. So this is a YouTube video, a documentary about the Amazon rainforest. Or if you want to upload, click upload over here and just drop whatever video that you have raw here, right? And then once that's done, you want to open a new AI chat and connect whatever video you have and just say here on the prompt, I'm just going to do a very generic one, which is, I want you to give me an outline of the most important key points of the video that's connected, right? So you can be much more specific than this, of course, but for this video, we're just going to go simple, click enter, and now it's going to study the video and go through it entirely. And as you can see here, it is now going to give you the key points of the entire video. I just wait for it to finish, and that's how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.